Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So we had a client ride all the way up from Michigan. He brought us a Slingshot and a brand new Harley Davidson Road Glide to build at the same time. Stayed in a hotel for a week while my team got busy and put together both vehicles. The sad part is he had the audio done on the Slingshot by a local shop. And I talked about this in my class in Knowledge Fest. I actually put the screenshot on the screen and I crossed out the shop's name of the original message between me and the client. The shop spent more time putting together a very detailed invoice than they did building the Slingshot and making sure the client was happy with the audio. It was very, very disappointing. As soon as the client got the vehicle back, he wasn't happy with the way it sounded. He literally made the decision to ship the Slingshot to us, to New Jersey, while he was still in the parking lot to the other shop. Now, the reason I want to bring this up is they charged him a few $1,000s, and then it cost him thousands of dollars to trailer the Slingshot here to New Jersey. So I'm sure the client would have liked to stay in his hometown and been happy with the audio in his hometown. And there was obviously a few $1,000s more in the budget because he literally came to New Jersey. So if they had taken the time, and that's why it's so important to us to have demo vehicles, to let the client listen to exactly what he's going to be getting. That way this doesn't happen. So there's my Slingshot in the background, my other Slingshots at the other shop. So here the client gets to listen to what we promise him before he spends any money. That way we make sure we're on the same page. So even not having a Slingshot to demo for the client, there was a few things done that I didn't understand. They screwed subwoofers into the doors, or made a wooden panel and screwed it into the back and mounted a subwoofer behind the seat into the cabinet. Everybody knows a subwoofer cannot do its job without a proper enclosure. So the first thing we did was pull the doors off, install pre-made, we get them from Underground Auto Styling. I love Jack and his team over there. It makes my job a lot easier because originally we had to build these, and now Jack makes them, they slide in, and it saves hours and hours of fiberglass work. So we slid in 2 fiberglass ported enclosures, did the same ground 010 that we use on every single Slingshot, and the customer was blown away by the bass. Highs, it's easy to make a bike loud. Highs, we went with Cicada Audio, Pro Audio, weatherproof, put them in the factory locations, and then something, I have no idea how this happened. They might have chopped up one of his kick panel enclosures or broke it or lost it. Somehow the client ended up with 2 different enclosures. He ended up with 2016 enclosure on one side and a 2020 enclosure on the other side. Weird. So we went with some SSV kick panel enclosures, even though we could have used the factory ones if we had a matching set. But whatever, I don't know what happened there. He said that's the way he got the Slingshot back. So don't know what happened there. So replaced the speakers, did the amplifiers in the tail section. Of course, they did the amplifiers under the seat. I like putting the amplifiers in the tail, that way it keeps water off them. When you're going to get caught in the rain in one of these vehicles and water's going to get under the seat, and even if it doesn't destroy the amp, it oxidizes the connections. It's just not a good look. So we upgraded the battery, installed Sound Digital 3000 in the tail, Cicada BDA 600 in the tail, all ran 0 gauge, oxygen free copper wire, upgraded the battery. Of course, the other shop did not use the DSP. We ran a Hertz H8 DSP off the factory head unit. Plays nice and loud, has a ton of bass. Customer's blown away, he's happy with the way it sounds. So then we jumped over to his 2024 Road Glide, and he had 2 audio systems installed on it. He was not happy with either one, so then he brought the bike along too. After he listened to a couple of bikes here, he decided he wanted 10s, sealed and ported. We went with Cicada FLX 1400P DSP amplifier that we use on all these 24 and ups. Then we did 3000.1 in the tour pack, Cicada in the fairing, NVS Audio 10s in the saddlebags. Bike sounded phenomenal. We used Nav TV Zen A to B interface for this one. He was blown away by the way both vehicles sounded. Check out the build.
Don't create borders. Take me uncomfortably. Don't be difficult. Baby girl, who hurt you? Don't be miserable. Baby, let me love you. Baby, don't trust me. Baby, come close to me. Don't create borders. Take me uncomfortably. Don't be difficult. Baby girl, who hurt you? Don't be miserable. Baby, let me love you. I'm tryna find my God. I pray to God we all be here. I just been on my Hollywood. I just been on a Nollywood. I got a place in Hollywood. Further than where we thought we would. So leave me a millionaire. I'm about to make my promise good. I'm getting closer to the dream of try. Ain't nothing feel like the fire. Not both hands. Champagne paint for dying. Maybe it ain't Friday. Daddy got a Porsche on highway. Top both hands in the sky. We don't know about it. Baby, come close to me. Don't create borders. Take me comfortably. Don't be difficult. Baby girl, who hurt you? Don't be miserable. Baby, let me love you.
I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Monster on the beat, ho, Debo, D-Rap, nigga, he a freak, though. Man, damn, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these phony ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all in they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to school with him. Walking down the whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your...
consistent, it really took some courage.
When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass bitch. Weak ass bitch. When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass bitch. Weak ass bitch. When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass bitch. Weak ass bitch. When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass bitch. Weak ass bitch. How you feel with this 9 million meal to your bill? Haters talking nothing shit, but